Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT voice/microphone input not working. If the mic isn't picking up your voices, it's almost always a permissions issue. So first of all, head over to your ChatGPT settings app and then go ahead and search for ChatGPT. And over there, make sure you have toggled the microphone access option on. After that, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then find ChatGPT and then swipe it away. This will clear some temporary glitches that might be causing the issue. Then remove Bluetooth earbuds. They sometimes block input. Head over to your app store after that and then make sure to update your ChatGPT to the latest version. Sometimes login issues or problems like this often happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating your app makes sure that you have all the latest files and bug fixes. So make sure to update it to the latest version. Tip: record a voice memo to confirm your mic works, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.